Welcome back to Diablo's Deliveries, everyone. Today, I am taking you into one of the most secure locations in this country. It is loaded with security, completely lined with barbed wire, so you gotta find a special hole that I made. I actually used a Bangalore to explode a giant hole in the fence, and then I can get to this minefield. There are thousands of mines out here, so you gotta go quick. There are also sniper positions all around here, so you have to move fast. Roving patrols 24/7. It is no joke. If they see you, they will shoot you. This is the most secure location in this country. Nobody has made it out here. Nope.
Hey.
Well, maybe it's not so secure, but it is one of my favorite spots. It is a ton of fun to ride. Welcome to Satan's Sand Pit.
Last one, my time was 3:12. That was better. 306. I did go into neutral, I think once or twice. Then a couple times I just kind of slipped and I didn't have the right technique on a turn. Not bad though. Not bad. I'll take it. Fuck, I'm tired. I need to get in shape.